Is it time to buy or sell Google stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Google. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 18th of March, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 5th of March, 2025, our system has identified Google as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 5.99. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has faced a decline of negative 7.14%. This results in an average daily loss of negative 0.71% since it was designated as a strong sell candidate. The stock currently rests at the lower end of a broad and declining trend in the short term, which often presents an excellent buying opportunity. Should the lower trend threshold of $155.59 be breached, it would signal a potentially stronger decline. The prevailing 3-month trend indicates a possible change of approximately negative 14.77% over the next 3 months, with potential returns ranging from negative 17.47% to positive 0.74%. In terms of a longer perspective, our 12-month analysis predicts a projected change of 12.38%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from 12.32% to 46.22% over the upcoming year. In practical terms, this suggests that the future price may fall between $180.46 and $234.94. Our latest daily update for Google includes the headline, Google stock downgraded to strong sell candidate. The Google stock price declined by 2.2% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 18th of March, 2025, dropping from $164.29 to $160.67. During that trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 4.8%, ranging from a low of $156.72 to a high of $164.24. The price has decreased in 6 of the last 10 days and is down by 6% during this period. Additionally, trading volume increased on the last day by 11 million shares, despite the falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the risk could rise slightly over the next few days. In total, 42 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $6.75 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $207.05, while the lowest was $146.08. Currently, the price stands 22.4%, or $46.38, below the 52-week high, and 85.79%, or $969.98, beneath the all-time high recorded on January 15, 2018, when the price peaked at $1,130.65. Alphabet, the parent company of Google, has made headlines with a historic acquisition of $32 billion for the cloud security firm Wiz. This move is not only the largest acquisition in the company's history, but also signifies a strategic pivot aimed at enhancing its cloud and cybersecurity divisions. Many analysts regard this deal as a crucial response to the growing threats associated with generative artificial intelligence and an effort to strengthen Google's competitive position against major players like Amazon and Microsoft in the cloud computing landscape. In the short term, investors may respond positively to the acquisition, perceiving it as a robust integration of cybersecurity capabilities that could secure Google's core search business and expand its service offerings. Analysts have upgraded Google's stock to a buy rating, noting a sum-of-the-parts valuation that suggests a promising 25% upside, even under conservative projections. Over the long term, this acquisition has the potential to redefine Alphabet's role in the technology sector, enabling it to lead innovations and further consolidate its market presence in cloud services. However, given the premium price paid for Wiz, Alphabet will need to demonstrate significant growth to justify this investment. The success or failure of this integration is likely to set a precedent for future mergers and acquisitions in the tech industry, especially under the current administration's scrutiny of big tech. Overall, the Wiz acquisition is expected to have lasting implications for Google's stock performance and market strategy, making it an important event to monitor. Analyst ratings. On Friday, January 10th, 2025, it was reported that KeyBank assigned Google an overweight rating with a hold action. On Tuesday, January 7th, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned Google a neutral rating with a hold action. On Friday, January 3rd, 2025, it was reported that Wolfe Research assigned Google an outperform rating with a hold action. On Thursday, January 2nd, 2025, it was reported that JMP Securities assigned Google a market perform rating with a downgrade action. On Thursday, November 21st, 2024, it was reported that UBS assigned Google a neutral rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Google stock a general buy rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell. When it comes to return on investment, analysts offer the stock a strong buy rating. The following signals have been identified for Google. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, also known as MACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the near short-term development. The Google stock currently shows sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal due to the relationship between these two signals, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, there will be resistance at the levels of $164.32 and $180.14. A breakout above either of these levels will generate buy signals. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Tuesday, February 4th, 2025, and thus far, the stock has declined by 22.15%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Yesterday, volume increased alongside falling prices, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 30 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 14 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 8 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 30 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 26 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal from 30 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 19 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages, buy signal from 10 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you would like to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Google. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's threshold. If conditions permit, the stock may experience significant declines in the upcoming days. This stock typically shows average movements throughout the day, and with increased trading volume, the risk level is categorized as medium. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by $7.52 between its highest and lowest points, representing a change of 4.8%. In the last week, the stock exhibited an average daily volatility of 2.71%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Google, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, also known as the P/E ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. This ratio is considered relatively normal and is often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenue streams. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 24th of April, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates stand at $2.02. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Google. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Google is at $185.20. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which indicates that the stock could potentially drop sharply under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider placing trades only if you are an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for Google from various analyst sources is to buy. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 13th of March, 2025, John L. Hennessy conducted an insider sale of 60 shares of Class C capital stock. On the 13th of March, 2025, John L. Hennessy conducted an insider sale of 99 shares of Class C capital stock. On the 13th of March, 2025, John L. Hennessy conducted an insider sale of 31 shares of Class C capital stock. On the 13th of March, 2025, John L. Hennessy conducted an insider sale of 10 shares of Class C capital stock. On the 5th of March, 2025, Anat Ashkenazi conducted an insider purchase of 121,779 shares of Class C Google stock units. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we found the insider power to be positive, with a ratio of 23.886. In total, insiders bought 2,869,818 shares and sold 1,753,926 shares during the last 100 trades. We currently hold a negative assessment for this stock, and a stop loss has not been established. Is Google stock a wise investment? Currently, Google displays several negative indicators and is experiencing a broad, downward trend. As a result, we anticipate that its performance will remain weak over the coming days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. Given some minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our conclusion for this stock from a sell to a strong sell candidate since our last evaluation. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 19th of March, we expect Google to open lower by approximately 12 cents and commence trading at $160.54. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not solely rely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.